Exploring the world of organic art. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language learning video. We're going to dive into a fascinating and vivid topic, organic art. This term might sound a bit complex at first, but don't worry, we'll explore it together in an easy and engaging way. So, let's get started and unravel the beauty of this unique form of art. In this section, we'll define what organic art actually means. Organic art refers to a style of artwork that emphasizes natural elements and organic forms. It often involves using materials directly from nature, like wood, stone, leaves, or even living plants. The idea is to create art that feels like a part of nature, not separate from it. This can include sculptures in a garden, paintings that mimic natural textures, or installations that use natural light. Now let's look at some key characteristics of organic art. 1. Use of natural materials. Artists often use materials like wood, stone, clay, and plants. 2. Inspired by nature. The designs often mimic patterns and shapes found in nature. 3. Harmony with the environment. This art form aims to blend with its surroundings, not dominate them. 4. Sustainability. Many organic artists focus on environmentally friendly practices. To help you better understand, let's explore some examples. A sculpture made of driftwood, shaped and assembled to look like an animal. A painting that uses natural pigments and portrays a forest scene. An installation in a park that uses living plants and flowers to create a natural tapestry. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of organic art and its unique place in the art world. It's a wonderful example of how language can open doors to new concepts and cultural experiences. Keep exploring, and remember, every word you learn is a step towards a broader understanding of the world. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.